Hello friend, how are you? This is Sarah from nknew.com. As you can see, this is our website, nknew.com. You can search it directly or go to our website directly. As you know, the Black Friday is coming soon, so to celebrate it, and most important, express our gratitude for your support. On our website, plan to offer some special promotion activity during the Black Friday from next month, November 1st. If you order from our website, you will get a special discount or gift. Maybe if you order at that time, you will get a free microcost wallet as a gift. I just casual listen now. Just please pay more attention to our site. Believe me, you will not feel disappointed to it. If you have any problem, please contact with us. And this is our Facebook and YouTube channel. Please remember it. If you contact with me, I will try my best to help you. Please don't hesitate to contact with me. As you can, this is our bag. As you can see, it's really very good quality. Let me show you one bag inside. Really great. And also the bag will come with this duster bag together. And also it will be packaged well with the box. So please don't worry about the quality. I believe you will like them. So any problem please contact with me. Wish you have a happy Black Friday first. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.